the last period, we already start the chapter differential equation. In this differential equation, we see some bits, that is the order and degree of differential equation, formation of the differential equation, and some examples on the formation of differential equation. Another some examples on the formation of differential equation. The first example, that is a theoretical example, that is form the differential equation of all lines parallel to the line 3x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Parallel to this line 3x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. That is, the equation of the line parallel to the line 3x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0 is 3x plus 2y plus c is equal to 0. Only constant is here changing. C is a arbitrary constant. This line and this line are parallel, means here slopes are here equal here. So only here C is a arbitrary constant. We take this. So this is the equation. We differentiate this equation, we get 3x plus 2y plus c is equal to 0. This is a 3 into derivative of x is 1 plus 2 into derivative of y dy by x, and derivative of constant term is 0 is equal to 0. That is 3 plus 2 into dy by dx is equal to 0. Now this can be written as 2 into dy by dx plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the required differential equation. This is the formation of the differential equation. So another example, a particle is moving along the x-axis. It is acceleration at time is proportional to its velocity at that time. Acceleration is proportional to its velocity. Find the differential equation of the motion of the particle. We know that what is meant by velocity? Velocity is the rate of change of displacement with respect to time. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity with respect to time. Here is given that acceleration is proportional to velocity. So S is the displacement. This is the displacement of the particle. And ds by dt, rate of change of displacement with respect to time, is called velocity. And d2s by dt square, rate of change of this velocity with respect to time, is called accelerations. So here given that acceleration is proportional to the velocity. Acceleration is directly proportional to velocity. Acceleration is d2s by dt squares. Is proportional to ds by dt. So d2s by dt square is equal to k, some constant k, into ds by dt. This is the required differential equation. This is the formation of this differential equation. Another example, form the differential equation of the family of the circle touching above the x-axis at the origin. We know that the circle, what is standard equation of circle? X square plus y square is equal to r square. R is the radius of the circle. Center is the origin. Then given that the circle touching the x-axis, see this, circle touching the above the x-axis. Circle touching this above the x-axis at origin. This is the origin, 0, 0. Then center is the center of the circle. Here horizontal distance, that is 0, and vertical distance is k. This distance k is the radius of the circle. K is the radius of the circle, and center is the 0, k. So center is known, the radius is known. Then center radius form of the circle. Center radius form is suppose h, k is the center, suppose. Then x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, if r is the radius. Here k is radius. Here h is 0. So x minus h, that means here equation x minus 0 whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to radius is the k square. Center is given 0 comma k and the radius is here k. Then center radius form of the circle is, we know that the standard equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equal to radius squares. If a circle passing through the origin, center is the origin, then this equation. But here center is h comma k, here touching the x is 0 comma k. Therefore here x minus 0 whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to k square. This is the equation. Form this equation by differentiating and eliminate this arbitrary constant k. For this differentiation, we know that here x square, equation x square plus y square, and simplify first this and then differentiate. Y minus k whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square here. Y square minus 2yk plus k square is equal to k square. Here k square get cancelled, 0. Then equation is the x square minus y square minus 2yk transfer to the right hand side plus 2yk. So x square plus y square is equal to 2yk equal to ky. If y is divided in this left hand side, then y here, x square upon y square upon y cancel, only remaining y. And the right hand side here 2k. This equation x square upon y plus y equal to k, differentiate with respect to x. Derivative. What is the derivative of x square upon y? The quotient rule, u by v. Using quotient rule. What is quotient rule? V constant, derivative of u minus u constant, derivative of v divided by v square. Here u by v, v means y constant, derivative of x square minus x square constant, derivative of y is dy by dx divided by v square means y square plus derivative of y dy by dx is equal to derivative of 2k 0. This is the derivative. So here derivative of x square is 2x. So here 2x, y 2x minus x square into dy by dx, and this y square transfer to this side, and then this is equal to 0, y square to 0. So y square into dy by dx plus y square into dy by dx is equal to 0. This can be also written as this 2xy is equal to, here transfer this in the right hand side, a minus to plus and plus minus. Then here x square y square, take here dy by dx common from this, then in bracket x square minus y square dy by dx. This is the required differential equation, or this can be written as dy by dx is equal to 2xy divided by x square minus y square. So this is the formation of the differential equation. Till are the theoretical example, some examples, different examples on this, another example on parabola also, on ellipse also. These theoretical examples. So this bit is complete here, formation of differential equation. Another bit is a solution of the differential equation. How to solve the differential equation? For the syllabus only first order, first degree differential equation. We have to solve this differential equation by different method. First is here variable separable form. We have to see this method, variable separable form, and solve this differential equation and find out the general solution. And after finding the general solution, for the particular value of this arbitrary constants, we get the particular solution also. Solution of first order, first degree differential equation. So there are two types of solution, general solution and particular solution. And different method of solving the differential equation. That is, the first is a variable separable form method. In this variable separable method, equation of the type f1x plus f2y dy by dx is equal to 0. This f1x is the function of x, f2y is the function of y. And this equation can also be written as there dx here, f1x dx. So here variable x in the dx side and variable y in the dy side. All terms of x in the dx and all the terms of y inside of dy. So f1x dx plus f2y dy is equal to, this is called the variable separable form. After integrating this variable separable form, we get the general solution. So integrating this means f1x dx integration of here f2y dy is equal to constant c is the arbitrary constant that is equal to c. This is called, after evaluating this integration, we get the general solution. So we see some examples on this variable separable form method. So some example on this variable separable method. Solve the differential equation. Solve the differential equation y minus x into dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay. Y minus x into dy by dx, this can be done as x into dy by dx. X into dy by dx is transferred minus plus and y is equal to y. Convert into variable separable form, that means x term the dx side and y term in the dy side. So here, this here a dx upon x and dy divided by y. So dx upon x and dy upon y. 1 by x dx, 1 by y dy, this is the variable separable form. Integrating, we get the general solution. Integrating both sides, integration of 1 by x dx and integration of 1 by y dy plus constant is c1 constant. What is integration of 1 by x? Log x. What is integration of 1 by y? Log y. Plus c1 replaced by constant log c. c1 is equal to log c. For cancelling log, here log, so we take the another constant c1 replaced by log c. Therefore, log x is equal to here log y plus log c. Using rule of logarithm, log a plus log b, log of a into b. Log y plus log c is equal to log of y into c, log of c into y. Cancelling log both sides, we get x is equal to c into y. Now x by y is equal to c. This is the required general solution. Another example say, for solve the differential equation dy by dx is equal to x square y plus y. Here take y common, in bracket remaining x square plus 1. So convert this equation in variable separable form. Y terms in the dy side, x term in the dx side. So have this dx in this side, dx and x square plus 1, y in the left hand side, denominator, dy by y, and here x square plus 1 into dx. This is the variable separable form. Integrating both sides, integration of 1 by y dy, integration of x square plus 1 dx plus constant c. Then under the integration of 1 by y, log y. Here, integration of x square power, x to the power 3 upon 3, and the integration separate here 1 dx x, directly write x. So x cube upon 3 plus x plus constant c. This is the required general solution. Log y is equal to x cube upon 3 plus x plus c. This is the required general solution. Another example say, here sec square x tan y dx plus sec square y tan x dy is equal to 0. To convert into variable separable form, that means dx variable of x in this side, the dy variable of y in this side. So here x sec square x tan y dx is equal to this plus transfer to the right hand side minus of sec square y tan x dy. This term transfer to the right hand side, then minus. So we convert into variable separable form the terms of x in the dx side and terms of y in the dy side. That this term tan x in the left hand side of dx, that is a sec square x, and this term tan x is the denominator here tan x and dx is equal to here minus sec square y, and this tan y transfer to the right hand side go to denominator sec square y upon tan y dy. So this is the variable separable form, sec square x upon tan x dx and minus sec square y upon tan y dy, variable separable form. After integrating, we get the general solution. Integrating both sides, sec square x divided by tan x dx is equal to minus sec square y upon tan y dy plus constant c1. Find out the integration. Here we know that the formula f dash x upon f of x is equal to log of f of x. This is the integration formula. Derivative of f of x is here f dash x. Derivative of tan x is here sec square x. So write down directly here log of tan x. Another method is substitution method also. Put tan x is equal to t. Derivative of tan x is sec square dx is equal to dt. So dt divided by t, 1 by t log t, and then put the value of t, that is tan x log of tan x. This is the one of the method. And direct formula, that is f dash x upon f of x is equal to log of f of x. So write down here log of f of x will be, here means log of tan x. In the similar manner here also derivative of tan y is sec square y. F dash x upon f of x form. So that directly write down this log of tan y plus log c. Change constant c1. C1 is equal to say log c. C1 is equal to log c. Here log. Constant change. Then here this term transfer to the left hand side, log of tan x plus log of tan y is equal to log c. And then using the rule of logarithm, log a plus log b is equal to log of a into b. Log of a into b means tan x into tan y is equal to log c. Cancelling log both sides, we get the general solution. Tan x into tan y is equal to c. This is the general solution of this differential equation. So another example, solve the differential equation where y square minus dy by dx is equal to x square into dy by dx. Here this dy by dx transferred to the right hand side, then y square is equal to this dy by dx plus x square into dy by dx. Here x square into dy by dx. Here dy by dx will get common, in bracket remaining 1 plus x square and y square. So convert into variable separable form, that is here a y square transferred to the right hand side dy divided by y square. Dx goes to numerator in the left hand side and 1 plus x square in the denominator. So dx upon 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square in the side of dx and 1 upon y square in the side of dy. This is the variable separable form. Integrating, integration of dx upon 1 plus x square, integration of 1 upon y square can be done as y to the power minus 2 dy plus constant c. In integration, we know that the formula integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. So tan inverse x. The formula is important here. And integration, for solving the differential equation, integration is important. For formulation of the differential equation, derivative is important. So here integration formula is here tan inverse x, and here integration of y to the power n. to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus c. This can be written as here minus and y to the power minus 1 divided by 2 by so minus 1 by y. But tan inverse x is equal to minus 1 by y plus c. This can be written as tan inverse x plus 1 by y is equal to c. Any form here. This is the required general solution. Another example, to solve the differential equation log of dy by dx equal to 2x plus 3y. Log of dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 3y. If log is transferred to the right hand side, then exponential. The relation between logarithm function and exponential function is that dy by dx is equal to log transfer e to the power 2x plus 3y. This e to the power 2x plus 3y by rule of indices here, this can be written as e to the power 2x and e to the power 3y. So this is equal to here, we have converted into variable separable form. Here dy e to the power 3y goes to denominator dy upon this, and here e to the power 2x and dx goes to numerator. This is the variable separable form. Integrating. So integration here e to the power 3y goes to numerator, e to the power minus 3y dy is equal to integration e to the power 2x dx plus constants. What is the formula for integration? E to the power f of x. E to the power f of x into f dash. E to the power derivative of x is e to the power x. E to the power f of x is e to the power x into f dash. So derivative of e to the power minus 3y and derivative of minus 3y divided by the minus 3 equal to derivative of e to the power integration of e to the power 2x e to the power 2x upon 2. Here also integration of this e to the power minus 3y e to the power minus 3y upon 3 and e to the power 2x integration e to the power 2x upon 2 plus c. This can be written as a 2 into e to the power minus 3y and minus 3 into e to the power 2x plus c. This is also written as this minus transfer to left hand side plus 3 into e to the power 2x plus 2 into e to the power minus 3y is equal to c. This is the required general solution. So this is the procedure of solving the different first order first degree differential equation by variable separable form method. So find the particular solution of the differential equation. We have already solved the differential equation and with the general solution. We have to find the particular solution. That particular value is given. For example, find the particular solution of the differential equation sec square x tan y dx plus sec square y tan x dy is equal to 0 when x and y is given. X is equal to value pi by 4 and y is also equal to pi by 4. So first of all find out the general solution, and after this put the values of x and y. We get the value of this constant, arbitrary constant, and then find out the particular solution. For example, here first of all here convert into variable separable form, that is f sec square x divided by tan x dx plus sec square y divided by tan y dy is equal to 0. This is the variable separable form. We already saw this example in the general solution here. Sec square integrating both sides, sec square x divided by tan x dx plus integration sec square y divided by tan y dy is equal to some constant, say log c. So integration here f dash x upon fx is equal to log of f of x, means here log of tan x. Here also f dash x upon f of x, derivative of tan y sec square y. So plus log of tan y is equal to log c. Log a plus log b, that is log of a into b. tan x into tan y is equal to log c. Cancelling log both sides, so we get the tan x into tan y is equal to c. This is the general solution. But we have to find the particular solution. Particular solution means find out the value of this arbitrary constant c and then put the value of c. For this given values are x and y. Value is given x is equal to y is equal to pi by 4. Put this value in the general solution. Here value put here tan x, x means here pi by 4. Tan y, y is here pi by 4 is equal to constant c. Value of tan pi by 4, tan 45 is 1, tan 45 1. So here 1 value is 1 here, 1 is equal to c, c is equal to 1. So c is equal to 1, put in the general solution, we get the particular solution. So therefore here general solution become tan x into tan y is equal to value of c is 1 here. So tan x into tan y is equal to 1 is called the particular solution. Tan x into tan y is equal to c is the general solution. And after giving the values of x and y, put here and find out the value of c. Then put this c in the value as 1. So tan x into tan y is equal to 1 is particular solution of the differential equation. Another some examples on the particular solution in the next grade.